Watch some of our slow motion water experiments that we did on Arts Day at Free Orchards Elementary. Go. But first, notice how boring it is when you record at normal speed. Slow motion looks so much more interesting. Let's see what happens when we throw it against a wall. And this one didn't quite work out like we thought. Still looks cool though, check it out. Then we wondered what it would look like if we popped a large balloon in a bin. Now watch this student drop it and run. He has reflexes like a cat. Except he didn't need to run on that one. Whoops, let's try it again. Maybe it'll explode if he holds it up higher and drops it. Now this is a good explosion, but it goes back to normal speed because I didn't leave it recording long enough. Let's see how this guy does. I wonder what that would look like backwards. And here is our yellow balloon experiment. Watch as the water comes straight towards my face. This time we're going to pop a jumbo balloon inside of a bin and see what that looks like. Watch as we pop a long, skinny yellow one. It looks cool how her hand punches through the water. All you need to do experiments like this is a phone with slow motion capability, some water balloons, and of course, a friend that you can boss around. You could actually produce and direct your own movie. Why don't you give it a try?